Do you know there's different kinds of insurance for the ATM business? Stay to the end of the video and I'm going to give you the top 5 different kinds of insurance for the ATM business. Hi, I'm Phil from PDQ Merchant Enterprises and the ATM Mastermind Group page, and I help hundreds of aspiring ATM business owners go from 0 ATMs to ATM Business Pro in as little as 30 days. Always remember, here at PDQ Merchant Enterprises and the ATM Mastermind Group page, we buy your freedom back one transaction at a time. Without further ado, the top 5 different kinds of insurance when you're in the ATM business. Insurance type number 1, there's insurance for the ATM, which is for vandalism or break-ins, just insurance, not the cash in the ATM, just for if people get hurt on the ATM. So when we started in the ATM business, we didn't get insurance for the cash in the ATM, but we could get insurance on the ATM. So in case somebody hurt themselves, in case the ATM fell on them, even though it was bolted to the floor, we got insurance for that, just in case somebody got hurt on the ATM, they tripped, they fell, they hit their head on the ATM, or anything like that. We were insured for those kind of situations, and we got insurance for vandalism. So those are one of the types of insurance that you guys could get. Point number 2 is insurance for the cash in the ATM. Now that's a little bit more. A lot of companies won't insure. If you check with your own insurance company, and where we started out in the game is we started with the first one, with just the ATM that was insured in case there was a vandalism or somebody got hurt. Then we migrated into number 2, which is the cash into the ATM. So if you're thinking about starting an ATM business, I want to stay to the end of the video and I'll share with you on how to start in the ATM business even if you have 0 experience in business. In this checklist, I'll share with you the 5 things you need to start a profitable ATM business so you can start earning passive income, make more money, and spend more time with your family. You'll have a clear roadmap towards ATM business success so you can earn between $250 and $1,500 of passive income every single month. All right, let's get back to the video. Point number 3 is insurance for your car. Now, when we started out, the very first thing we did is we got insurance for our car, just regular car insurance. And then we started asking the insurance company, hey, we have a ATM route, will you guys insure ATMs? Then we leveraged our insurance company who was providing the car insurance to get ATM insurance or insurance on the ATM, along just for vandalism or if they hurt themselves. Then what we did is we started shopping insurance companies and we said, look, we have an ATM, we have cars. What we want to do is we want to get the insurance on the ATM money in the ATMs. Will you guys do business with it? If they said no, then we went to another one. If they said yes, then we went with that company. So we started leveraging. So what you guys want to do is you want to leverage. Now there are insurance companies, or at least one that I know of, that will insure you or just insure the cash in the ATM and the ATMs. However, it's very cost inefficient for you to insure if you have one ATM. They'll insure for 1 up to 6, it's the same price. So it might not be the best solution for you guys, but there is a company out there that will do that. Point number 4, so then when we started making money, we started hiring people and we had to go with workers' comp insurance. So a little bit more for us to leverage against getting cash in the ATMs covered. But now we have workers' comp, we got liability insurance on the cars, we got the vandalism insurance on the ATM, and then we were able again to leverage all that to get the cash in the ATM insurance. So if you guys hire employees, not 1099 employees, not vaulters, but actual people who are working in your organization, you will need to get workers' comp. And one of the things you can do now is when you get there, you can start leveraging all those types to get the ATM, to get the cash in the ATM covered. And point number 5, and this is always a big one, when you have all those different types of insurance, the insurance company is more advantageous to work with you because you're bringing in more dollars for them. Then the other thing you can do is you can get insurance for what they call cash in transit. That's from when you have the money in your car or in your vehicle, service vehicle, and you're taking that money and now you're going to fill an ATM. We call that cash in transit. Now you can get insurance for that. One of the reasons why we made this video is because people were always asking, hey, I want to get insurance for ATM. Is the ATM business insurable? How can I get insurance? This is different ways so you can get insurance. You can leverage what you got to get insurance in case you don't want to self-insure. What is self-insurance, Phil? That's when you don't go out and get an insurance company, but you take that liability. So you don't have any insurance And what happens, you put a little bit of money aside in case something happens in your business, and then you will cover that claim in case it happens. So those are all the different ways that you need to be covered in this business when you scale your business, and that you could be covered. So if you're thinking about starting your own ATM business, I want to invite you to our free checklist entitled ATM Business Passive Income Checklist, the 5 things you need to know before you start your profitable ATM business, where I'll share with you the 5 things you need to start your profitable ATM business, where you can start earning passive income, make more money, and spend more time with your family. So click the link down below to start your ATM journey today. Again, this is Phil from PDQ Merchant Enterprises and the ATM Mastermind Group page, where we buy your freedom back one transaction at a time. Thank you guys very much.